Have you ever seen a child working at a roadside shop, a factory, or maybe cleaning dishes at a hotel? That child should be in school. That child should be playing and dreaming. But instead, many children around the world work long hours for little or no pay. This is called child labor. It's a harsh reality that robs children of their innocence, their dreams, and their childhood. Child labor happens when children are forced to work in jobs that are dangerous, harmful, or stop them from going to school. It's not the same as helping parents at home or learning small responsibilities. Child labor is when a child is treated like an adult worker, made to work long hours, given too much responsibility, and denied the chance to learn, play, and grow. It takes away their childhood. It takes away their joy. It takes away their right to a better future. Every year, on June 12th, the world observes the World Day Against Child Labor. This day was started in 2002 by the International Labor Organization, also known as the ILO. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness about child labor and to remind the world that childhood is a right, not a luxury. The goal is simple: stop child labor, support education, and give children a chance to live a life of dignity, respect, and hope. Child labor still exists in many countries. It happens in factories, farms, mines, construction sites, markets, and even inside homes. Some people believe they are helping poor children by giving them work, but the truth is very different. When a child is forced to work instead of going to school, their rights are taken away. Their dreams are crushed. Their potential is lost. Let me tell you a story about a boy named Rafiq. Rafiq was only 9 years old. He loved math and dreamed of becoming a pilot. But every morning, instead of carrying a school bag, Rafiq carried a bag of tools. He walked to a small workshop where he worked all day fixing cars and cleaning parts. Oil covered his clothes. Dust filled his hands. While other children played after school, Rafiq was busy cleaning tires. One day, a teacher passed by the workshop. She saw Rafiq working and asked him, "Why aren't you in school?" Rafiq looked down and replied softly, "My father is sick. I have to earn money." The teacher listened. She did not forget. She spoke to the workshop owner, contacted a local charity, and visited Rafiq's family. In just 2 weeks, Rafiq was sitting in a classroom. In 3 months, he could read full books. In 1 year, he won a prize in mathematics. Rafiq was smiling. He was free. His dusty hands now held a pencil, not a wrench. This is why we must never support child labor. Every child deserves a chance to learn. Every child deserves to dream. Every child deserves to be free from work that harms their body, their mind, and their future. Children are not meant to work like adults. They are meant to grow, learn, laugh, and imagine a better world. You might wonder, what can one person do? But change always starts with one voice. You can choose not to buy products made using child labor. You can speak up if you see a child working where they shouldn't be. You can support organizations that fight for children's rights and education. Even small actions can create a big difference. On June 12th, the World Day Against Child Labor reminds us of our responsibility. A child should never carry a burden too heavy for their small shoulders. We must stand together and say no to child labor. We must protect childhood. We must protect the future. Behind every case of child labor, there is a broken dream. Let's fix those dreams. Let's create a world where no child has to choose between food and education. A world where no child loses their smile to hard work. When we protect children, we protect tomorrow. Say no to child labor. Say yes to childhood.